Hello everybody, this is Dani Rolus from channel Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll have a sound test on Earson ER-151 Bluetooth speaker, this one. You can buy this beauty from gearbest.com online store for only $25 with free shipping. Okay, you can play music on this speaker from two sources, via auxiliary in or via Bluetooth. Okay, let's turn it on. And first we'll play music from Ruizu X06 music player via Bluetooth. Just turn it on. Go back. Here in Bluetooth. Search. And this is ER-151. Connect it, go back, all songs. Okay, let's try play music via cable. Okay. Like this. Go to music. All songs. Okay, so it's louder via Bluetooth, but it's okay also with cable. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.